Alright, treasure hunters, this one is for you. How many of you have ever felt like you were sitting on a treasure but didn't know exactly where to dig? That's the sensation many property owners experience when they haven't explored cost segregation. Identifying properties eligible for cost segregation is like having a treasure map in the world of real estate investing. It reveals where the fiscal gems are buried, enabling you to unearth them and substantially boost your financial returns. First, understanding property types. Not all properties are ideal candidates for cost segregation. The best candidates usually include commercial buildings, rental properties, and renovated or expanded properties. These types of properties often contain significant amounts of personal property or components that can depreciate much faster, making them prime targets for cost segregation studies. Second, analyzing renovation and expansion potential. If you've recently renovated or expanded your property, you might have added several components that can be segregated for accelerated depreciation. Even seemingly minor upgrades can be a goldmine for tax savings, as each component added or changed can potentially alter the depreciation schedule. Third, age and purchase date considerations. The age of your property and the date of acquisition also play crucial roles. Properties acquired or constructed relatively recently are typically better candidates because the cost details are clearer and more accessible, making the segregation process smoother and more accurate. Fourth, looking at structural modifications. Major structural modifications to a building can significantly impact eligibility for cost segregation. Adding new facilities, upgrading systems, or even cosmetic changes can introduce assets that qualify for different depreciation timelines, enhancing the potential benefits of a study. Now, fifth, consulting with experts. To fully determine if your property is a suitable candidate for cost segregation, consulting with a cost segregation specialist is crucial. These experts can provide a preliminary analysis that predicts potential savings, helping you decide whether a full study is financially justifiable. Join us in the next video where we will explore the key components of a cost segregation report. Understanding these components can dramatically affect your tax strategy and financial planning. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios so you don't miss out on these valuable insights. If you have properties and are wondering about their eligibility for cost segregation, drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. We are here to guide you through uncovering the hidden financial opportunities in your real estate investments. I'm Amit Grover, here to help you discover the treasures buried in your investments. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay